Hi guys, so today we're going to talk about paper weaving, and it's a really easy way to learn how to weave and also to make a really cool piece of art that's super unique. So we're going to first off need a computer piece of paper and then a bunch of crayons, and we're going to color a whole page with all the colors of the rainbow and just fill it up however you want. I fully colored my piece of paper, and I just colored it with a random organic design. It just has to fill up the whole page, make sure no white is showing. And then what I need is a ruler and a marker to measure out 1/2 inches all the way across. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that looks like, and then we're gonna cut them into strips. All right, so for this part, we're going to measure out on both sides 1/2 inches all the way down here, and then all the way down here. I have measured my measurements on both sides, and I did the short side of the piece of paper. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect from side to side. Now that we have all of our strips of paper cut out, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a white piece of paper that's blank. You can actually grab any blank piece of paper, just make sure it was the same size as the one that you colored on. And what you're gonna do now is you're going to fold it hot dog style, like this. And we're gonna do some cutting on this one as well, and then we'll be ready to weave. All right, now with our paper folded hot dog style on the open side of the paper, so not on the fold, on the open side of the paper, we are gonna come in about 1/2 inch and make a little line and then just go across like this, all the way top to bottom. Remember, this is on the open flap. We're gonna do the same thing that we did earlier. Do 1/2 inches all the way from side to side. And now that I've done my measurements on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and join my measurements. Alrighty, now that I have done all of my lines and it looks super neat and nice, I'm going to go ahead and cut from the fold all the way to that line right there. So we have cut our blank paper, and so now it's time to get our strips of colored paper that we colored ourselves, and we're gonna weave in and out and in and out through our paper with each and every single one. Now this is gonna take some patience and it's gonna take some time, so get ready and let's go. So I'm gonna grab the first one, go in this one, and then over the next one. I actually started this one on the wrong side, and I realized that after I grabbed this one and realized it wasn't gonna go next to it right here, it goes on top, and so therefore I need to just slide this one all the way down. I'm gonna grab my next one and I'm gonna start weaving in the opposite way that I did the other one. All right, here is the finished product. It took me quite some time. Definitely takes some hand-eye coordination, But this is it. It looks pretty awesome. Something that might help keep it together is just putting tape on the back, and so it doesn't, you know, fall apart or some of the strips, you know, come out. So yeah, here we go. Good luck, and if you ever happen to make this, let me know and post a comment or post a picture of it. Thanks for making art with me today. Bye, guys.